Welcome to Kenny's. Today we have a 2011 Mercedes GL 450. This vehicle, it's coming for oil leak. You open the cup right here, and this is beautiful Mercedes. It's V8, great engine of this Mercedes. This vehicle is right here. If my cameraman can see it right here. This is the oil filter housing is leaking. So if you can see the leak, there's a lot of oil here, and the belt. See the belt how it's ruined, the belt scallop, and also this vehicle. Same time we're gonna do a belt, okay? Oil filter housing. There's a part number. It's right here. Oil filter housing. We're gonna move it. Replace this little gasket. This is causing the oil leak. And the oil leak, the oil go over the belt, ruin the belt. At the same time, this vehicle we're gonna replace AC compressor. So this is AC compressor. It's brand new AC compressor. So like I said, okay, and the AC compressor is located, it's right here. It's a tough spot, but you're gonna get to it. It's right here. See where's my light? Right here. So we're gonna open this vehicle one time, and we're gonna move this hose. This is coming out so easy. You get more room here. It's right under there, okay? I'm gonna show this step by step. You see the belt, how's the belt run, and basically we're gonna do big job in this vehicle. We're gonna open it anyway, replace the oil filter housing right here. We're gonna replace the belt. We're gonna take the belt out anyway. We have a new belt and new AC compressor. So I'm gonna just show the parts for this vehicle. These parts. There's a part number here, and this is a part number for the belt. We're gonna share this video. Hopefully it's gonna be a good video for everybody can see, and we're gonna go step by step, make some room. So we're gonna take everything out of here, and please watch to the end of the video. I hope this is gonna be a very helpful video for the next person doing this job. Okay, so I remove this plate. There's a plate. There's a plate, go like this. You move it, and it's 6 screw, 10 millimeter. And I remove the bolt for the fan, 10 millimeter. So the fan is out. This is the next step. The fan is out. So one bolt for the fan right here, 10 millimeter, and the harness out. So look, we have no room now. We have a lot of room. I disconnect this hose right here. There's a clamp for the hose. It's for the small screwdriver. You pull it up. Okay. So this is where we're gonna work now. This is the belt. Look at the belt. It's broken. Look at the oil. Wow. See all the oil leak from the filter housing. Okay, so we're gonna change the gasket right here, okay? Filter housing. We're doing this job complete. We're gonna change the belt. AC compressor is weak. We're gonna change the AC compressor. And while you're gonna open up, okay, so I have a cameraman today, right here. Here's the tensioner, right here. Tensioner is the belt tensioner. Okay, so you're gonna get the right socket for it. Okay. See, so you put the belt tensioner here, just you tighten it. Look, you lift it up, the belt will come out. Look, the belt out. So see the belt tensioner. So you can take it out same way you're gonna put it back. Just don't forget, or you can Google it if you cannot. Just figure it out. So first of all, we're gonna check the idle pulley in case no good. In the meantime, we're gonna order some. Okay. So the idle pulley seems good. Smells good. So this is the AC compressor. So we're gonna change this. By the way, this is 16. The tensioner is 16 millimeter. You can use 17 or 16. And now we're gonna move this, the oil filter housing. Okay, so there's a couple of bolts right here. Take it out. See this? 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna show you the next step with the video. When you move this cover right here, and you move the fan, and you're gonna have a lot of room. Look, it's my hint. Look, there's a lot of room. Just need some patience, that's all. Keep watching. This is the loop. Okay. Okay, so to take this out, this one, you have to remove the thermostat because there's a bolt doesn't come out. So I remove it already, bolt. So there's a thermostat, 2 screws. So I remove it. I move the tensioner and I move the idle pulley. The idle pulley has to come out. The thermostat has to come out. This is the idle pulley. And I take 5 bolts out for the oil filter housing. Look, it's like, yeah, I already took it out. Just want to show you guys how this is gonna work. So just gonna put it right here for now. Do you see this gasket is rubber? See, over years is gone, leaking. So it's like a spaghetti style. You took it out, you clean it. You clean it really good, which that's what you need. Something like this. Wow, it's gone dry, very dry. So it's all the oil leak coming from this. See this here? All the oil leak coming from here. Okay, so, and we have a new one here. After we clean it up really good, then we're gonna put a new one in. And this is how to get the oil filter housing done. You see this here? There's the oil, the AC compressor right here. So it's one job. You do all of them together, or if you do AC compressor, you have to remove this stuff too. But it's you have to look at end of the video to get all the information. Okay, so now the AC compressor right here, see, I move it. It's 3 bolts. You can go up with the car, and the bolts under. So, and this is the line. You see the line? Go up here, please. So, this is the line right here. You can see it's AC line. I open it. It's 2 bolts. And it's basically Allen, 2 of them. Yeah. So the AC compressor are loose, like you see this here, and I'm gonna show you how you move the 3 bolts. Basically, I move this cover. Okay, that's good. So I move the cover here, okay, and this is AC compressor right here, okay. You can see the bolts. You see the bolt right here. 1, 2, 3. 2 in the front, 1 in the back. I move the 3 bolt, okay. Then after this, I go up. I move the hoses. Yeah. Yeah, that's good. Just go down. That's good. Yeah, just, yeah. And when I just go up, I want to show you guys how I remove the 3 bolts for the AC compressor. And this is the, I'm going to show you on the new one. So basically, okay, it's good. Only 3 bolts. 1, 2 in the front, 1 in the back. And this is a hose is going to go there. Okay, so pressure hose and the return hose. So low pressure and high pressure. Now, you know, we'll make all the rooms for the AC compressor come out. So I disconnect the wire. Basically, it's just gonna go like this. Look. Ta-da! There you go. AC compressor come out. It's too old. All the oil in there, and basically, I think it's look like original part. Okay, so it's the same, and this is the harness right here. Basically, you just take this out and put it on. So we're gonna put the AC compressor back on, the new one from here, and from here, just move this hose, move this right here, and you put the AC return line or pressure line right here, and you get the nut, the bolts. Okay, so today I have a help. Is Samir? He's my technician, my mechanic. Thank you, Samir.
You're welcome.
So and we'll do right now. Take those out, put it back together one by one. Hold it, please. So we're just gonna show everybody so how it's gonna go. You take those out. Basically, this is to hold the pressure and the oil inside. The new one. You can buy a AC compressor, we build one, but I don't recommend it for Mercedes. This is an expensive car. It's a good car, so you don't have to do that. Just buy a new one like this. This is a new part. That is not going to get out. Okay, so we're gonna go in. This is bye-bye. We're gonna go with the new AC compressor back in there. Just go. You got a lot of space now. Okay, so now I'm gonna put the hoses right here. Thank you. You see the hoses? You see the low pressure, high pressure hoses? So we're gonna, you see both of them right there next to each other. We're gonna connect those. After we connect these 2 hoses, we're gonna put the harness back in there. There's a wire, small wire, and then put the bolt in. Keep watching. Thank you. Okay, start it up. The job is all set. Replace a belt and there you go. Well, we put the housing, AC compressor, all set. And you see the new belt, the new AC compressor. Well, put the housing. This is the jobs also, and it's easy. I recommend to move this cover, which I'm gonna put it back, and move the coolant fan, 2 bolts. It's so easy to just make some space for yourself. So that's how you replace AC compressor on this vehicle, and same way I show you how to replace the belt and also replace a oil filter housing. See this oil filter housing right here, and this car gonna be driving like new. It's really great engine, this made by Mercedes. Please subscribe, leave like, leave any comments. We can I can answer you for any help. So right now we're gonna go back in. We have disc plates, the cover we're gonna put it back, and this is all set. Thank you for watching. We have new video for Kenny's Foreign Motor, Kenny's TV. Thank you.